What it is, YouTube, it's JB2800. I'm out here doing another video, man. As you can see, I'm doing my first unboxing and review on the channel. I'm doing a video on the Nike Dunk Low Kermits. So yeah, if you're gonna like, go ahead and like, man, subscribe. We out this bitch lit, man. I ain't gonna waste no time. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we in first person view, you feel me? Got this bit cut open, haven't opened it yet. This is gonna be first reaction. If y'all know about DHL, I think that shipping thing is, like, it's kind of weird how my shit came from South Korea, even though I ordered it from fucking StockX. I don't know, I guess they do, you know what I'm saying, sellers from everywhere and shit like that, but yeah, let's go. It actually came pretty fast for it coming from South Korea. I ain't even gonna cap, like, they said I ordered that bit like last week, and it already came in, so I'm not mad at all with that. Pretty fast shipping times. Let's go. StockX, make sure there's nothing important on there. Cover my address, but I got these for, let that focus, $159.43. Feel me? Not bad. Bang. Okay. What's this shit right here? I ain't never seen. Okay. Boom. These hoes is crispy with the StockX tag. Shit, I can say first reaction to these, the green is nice. It's around the color I imagined. The white colors definitely accent this shit well. And like I said, this is my first pair of dunks, so I know some of y'all gonna be getting on me in the comments saying I'm on the hype train and shit, but I don't know, these bitches just clean. My favorite color is green, as y'all can tell by my green room. Actually, you know what? Let's go back to the room and get a better review on these, man. Let's go. So boom, man, like I said, we back in the room. Got the Kermits right here. Like I said, man, these bitches is hard. I'm fucking with the color on them. My favorite color is green, so you know, if you know me personally, you know these are like, nigga, my kicks for real. Like, wear this with hella different shit, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna also do an on feet for y'all boys, so y'all can see how these hoes fit and all that. So, quality feels good. The green is what I expected. I know whenever I was ordering these, I was real skeptical, oh shit, on like the color, on like the shade of the green on these hoes. But yeah, they definitely, it's pretty much what I imagined to be. It's kind of like an army green, kind of. You know how like the army camouflage be kind of different kind of greens, kind of, it reminds me of that. But yeah, this is all around a good green shoe that I can wear with a lot of different shit. I can already see a lot of different fits coming together with this. So yes, sir. We gonna go ahead and get to the on feet, man. Gang.
2800 label, ain't nobody real deserve. Take my auntie out the hood, now she wearing fancy stuff. And your niggas think he good, but my shooter really is tough. Hanging out that drop top, from the transform like Shia LaBeouf. When I swing that nigga block, I can tell he had enough. In the cut with my brother now, ain't no switching up. If you leave, I ain't gon' miss you, baby, I'ma live it up. With Young Zan, we booted up. When Cash said we got two sluts, I told the poet in my cup, I'm tryna fuck, not fall in love. Tryna separate the bullshit from the real shit, man, it's up. Tryna run it up and go-go's like that nigga